If you trust an earbuds company to deliver amazing sound quality with the latest bells and whistle, Soundpeats is the company that you definitely can trust. With consistent product launch and so many great products under their belt, this is definitely a brand we can trust. Today we're taking a look at one of Soundpeats' latest offerings to see if they are any good. Welcome to a review of the Soundpeats Sonic. Hello, my name is Sean and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, I do a lot of tech reviews as well as unboxing, and if that is something that interests you, do consider subscribing to this channel, leave a thumbs up on this video, as well as share this video to all your friends around. And with that said, let's get on with a review of the Soundpeats Sonic. The Soundpeats Sonic is one of Soundpeats' latest earbuds that promises to provide amazing bass, and looking at some of the pictures online, it looks like these earbuds are specifically built for sports. I personally bought these earbuds for about 210 Malaysia ringgit, and that translates to about US 50. I think this is fairly standard to Soundpeats' price point, and so if you're looking to buy these earbuds, you can check out some of my links in the description below, and it'll definitely help out the channel a lot. So the one thing that is apparent, Soundpeats have definitely shifted their package design, starting with the H1 and then True Air 2 and now the Sonic, and they all come in this very nice, new looking, very modern looking package. Taking the earbuds out of the box, you get a nice greyish color with a rose gold band across the entire middle, and the material of the case is made out of a nice rubberized material, so the entire case feels very grippy but also has this very smooth and very high quality finish overall. At the top of the case you get a nice Soundpeats logo, and at the back of the case itself you get a nice USB Type-C charging port and a charging indicator right next to the charging port. Opening the lid itself feels a little bit stiff, not the smoothest case opening action I've tested, and you can see the hinge that Soundpeats chooses to use at the back there is a very simple plastic hinge, but at least it doesn't wobble around. Inside you get the Soundpeats Sonic earbuds, and the earbuds itself also takes on the same color styling as the case. And in front of the earbuds you also see a battery indicator at the bottom there, and Soundpeats uses colors to tell you how much juice you actually have left inside the case. So green means you have more than 50% of battery, orange means between 10 and 50%, and red means you have less than 10% and you should probably charge your earbuds up. So one thing I'm super excited with Soundpeats is that they seem to have brought back the light up logo on the earbuds itself, and this used to be one of the features in their older earbud, and so pulling the earbuds out and charging it, you get a very nice indicator that pulses, and if you put it back to charge, it actually pulses in orange color, so that's very nice. And I kind of like this look a lot, and one thing to note is that this LED will continue to light up until some media is being played, and once you pause the media, the lights will come back on. So the earbuds itself is also designed with the same rose gold band in the middle here, and that gives you a very nice synchronized design with the case itself. And the earbuds, instead of a touch control, uses a physical push button for all your controls need, and the nice thing about this button is that it doesn't take a lot of force to press it, so it's very nice and clicky. Flipping the earbuds around, you see some nice contoured shape that simulate typical IEMs, and for me these type of earbuds fit super nicely. And apart from that, these are your typical in-ear style earbuds. Ultimately, these earbuds are one of the first that I can see that really takes advantage of that low power Bluetooth 5.2 chip. So battery life is super impressive at 15 hours of continuous playback time, and this is rated at 60% volume playback. The case itself can charge the earbuds up to 2 times, and so you get an advertised 35 hours of continuous playback time, which is super impressive in today's standard. The case and earbuds takes about 2 hours to fully charge. So the Sonic also comes with all the latest features you come to expect in a late 2020 earbuds. It comes with a Qualcomm QCC3040 chipset that supports Bluetooth 5.2, which also supports aptX Adaptive, aptX, AAC, as well as SBC audio codec. So you're getting basically all of the latest codec for your enjoyment purposes. These earbuds also offer a decent IPX5 water resistant rating that gives you decent protection for water, and since these earbuds are workout earbuds, it means that these earbuds should be able to withstand regular sweating, water splashing, and even getting caught under the rain. The Sonic also supports a super seamless mono and stereo mode thanks to this new Qualcomm chipset, and you can choose either side of the earbuds to use, and you can also put any side back into the case and the other side will not stop playing. So very impressive stuff there. Lastly, these earbuds allow you to connect to multiple devices but not at the same time, so there's no multi-point connectivity on these earbuds. Personally, I don't have much information about what driver these earbuds use, but wow, they sound superb. And exactly like how they marketed it, these earbuds do give you monster bass. The Sonic gives you a very deep bass, and they are definitely a very aggressive type of bass. And the best part of these earbuds is that the bass is present in both very low volumes as well as high volumes, and I've tried it at 10% volume and I can still hear the bass. Clarity is also superb across the range, so I'm very impressed with its performance. One thing I noticed is that these earbuds themselves give a very wide, airy feel, which is very surprising for an in-ear earbud, and you'll also get a very nice sound separation when using it to watch movies. I've tested this on both Android and iOS. Honestly, I can't really tell the difference between both, so if you're using it mostly for mobile music listening and nothing audiophile, you're good even on iOS, since iOS don't support aptX. Overall, I think Soundpeats' audio quality is seriously next level, and they have set the bar for budget earbuds really high. And in terms of the call quality, the Sonic is pretty decent and voice does come through very nice and clearly, both in noisy and quiet environments. The only thing is that the CVC 8.0 technology generally doesn't cancel out background noise too much, but fortunately, sound still comes through nice and clearly. Anyways, let's take a listen to the call quality test of these earbuds.
So this is a test to see if the Soundpeats Sonic is a good earbuds for making phone calls. So this is me speaking in a relatively quiet environment, and this is the call quality that you can expect. So what I'm going to do now is to turn on a simulated background noise so you can hear the difference. So now I have a simulated background noise playing in the background, and this is the call quality that you can expect from this earbud. So what do you think of the call quality? Let me know in the comment section down below.
With the new improved aptX Adaptive codec support, gaming with gaming mode both on Android and iOS is both almost zero latency. Although iPhones do not support aptX, the gaming mode just demolishes any trace of latency on these earbuds. So using it for YouTube, Netflix or gaming is seriously very enjoyable. Anyway, let's take a look at the latency performance of these earbuds. So this is a test to see whether or not these earphones actually have a latency problem. So what I'm going to do now is clap into the microphone and you should be able to tell. So here we go. And if you see the hands not synchronized with the sound, then you will know that these earphones actually have a latency problem. So similar to all Soundpeats earbuds, I've said it many times and I'll say it again, I think Soundpeats should really be the gold standard for controls of true wireless earbuds, and the Sonic lets you control everything that you need, including volume controls. So single press on either a left or right side of earbuds allows you to play or pause your media unless you pick up phone calls. So double press on either the left or the right earbuds allows you to increase or decrease the volume. So as you double press, it increases the volume, or double press on the left side and it decreases the volume. So on Android, the volume is independent to the device, but on iOS it directly controls the device volume. To skip tracks forward, press and hold the right side of the earbuds and you can skip forward. And to skip backwards, press and hold the left earbuds and you will skip backwards. So there you go. To call your assistant, triple press on the right earbuds and it will call out your assistant. So there you go. Pause your media and pull out Siri. And lastly, to toggle between gaming mode, triple press on the left earbuds and you will hear a prompt to tell you whether or not you are in or out of gaming mode. So that's basically all of the controls you get with the Soundpeats Sonic. So overall, I'm really impressed with what Soundpeats is capable of delivering. Each and every earbuds that they launch and announce really leaves us all so impressed. So that is it for this review. If you find this video helpful, helpful, smash that thumbs up button, share this video everywhere, and if you haven't yet subscribed, do consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.